Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today it's time for a new install. We're going to be doing our deep wave right here. So if you guys are interested in seeing this new style deep wave from Toyotress, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, let me know if you would rock this hair, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. Alright beauties, let's go ahead and get started on this look. For today we're going to be installing the deep wave from Toyotress. I got this in the 22 inch. In the 22 inch they don't have 4, which I usually use 4 because my hair is a light brown. They only have 1B, so this is going to be a little dark for me. However, I am excited about having my length. The last install was 14 inches, which is short for me, but it was really cute. I really loved how it looked. But I'm excited to go ahead and go back to my 22, okay? And I can't wait to see how this looks. Let's go ahead and look at what Toyotress sent. This is how the packaging is. It's in this plastic bag here. They give you a needle, and I have 8 packs in here. 100% handmade is on there. And this is what the hair looks like. So that's a whole bundle right there. That's the full length where you can see how long it is. So it would be like that. It does look dark, y'all. I don't know. It's giving me Morticia vibes for myself because I have really light hair. Let's see. So this is what one of the bundles looks like. That's how full it is. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 strands per bundle. So this is what it looks like here. I really like the curl to it, so I'm excited to see how this looks. So let's go ahead and get to the install. I'm just going to show you guys how I do a few of them right now, and then I'll come back, of course, once it's halfway done and once we get to the front. So I'm going to show you my braid pattern first. This is what I did. This side of my hair, as you can see, is looking really bad, y'all. I got the sleeve surgery and my hair has been coming out like crazy. This side looks a little better, as you can see in the front. It's starting to grow back, but this side for some reason did really bad, and it's really came out a lot. So once I gel it back, it doesn't look so bad, but right now it's looking terrible. But for the back of my hair, I don't part it at all. I just use my fingers because that part is not going to show, and I like it to go across. So when your hair is in and it's going across, there's no way for you to be able to see any of that. So there's no point in really like trying to part it super straight or anything. So don't judge me. So as you can see, I bring all the braids from the front together here, and then I kind of just do a zigzag pattern so it goes across all the way around the back. Go ahead and install a few pieces so you guys can see. When I do my installs, I usually start from the back. So I'm going to show you how I do the back. So what I'm going to do is do a few strands, and then I'll come back once it's halfway full, and then once we get to the front. So here is the hair. It's how one looks. I'm trying to figure out in my head, do I want to split this or just do them one fully? This is how it looks once it's separated. These are actually pretty small. I don't even think I need to split it, so I'm not going to split it until I get to the very front because this is not super thick. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll just take my needle, go through here like this, take the hair, put it on the clasp, close it, pull it through. Then I take one strand and I'm going to go through 3 times, just like that, and then pull. I'm going to put my finger here. Now I know where to put the next one. Put the needle in right there. Put the hair in. Like that. And take one side. Go around here. Go around here. And boom, we have 2 in. So it's just that easy, you guys. Once I get midway, come back, because this is pretty simple. One, 2, 3, boom. All right, so that is how quick we can get one row done. I'm gonna go ahead and get to about halfway, come back so you guys can see how we install once we get closer to the front and start to split the hair. All right, beauty, so we have half of our hair done. This is what we have done so far right now. This is what it's looking like. I'll turn around to the back so you can see and put it to the back. that's what it's looking like, y'all. Nice and full and cute. So I'm going to show you how I split the hair and how we do the front. All right, beauty. So here is the hair. Here we are going to make sure that there are no kinks in the hair, and then as you pull it this way, you want to just make sure that everything is kind of like flat, I guess you would say, and you will almost naturally see a split come between the hair when you straighten it out like this. And so go from where you see that split and go ahead and separate it. Then here's the hair here. We're going to split this one more time. Like I said, make it flat like that, and it will almost naturally show you where the split is. And once again, pull through the hair. Here's the needle, and we're going to go ahead and go in on the side here. So I'm going to go in right here. The hair and the needle. Pull it through. And 1, 2. Boom. Okay. Let's try this again. Going down here. Put the hook in. Pull it through. One, 2, and tighten. Boom. Just like that. All right. So this whole row was just 2 pieces of hair because we split them up. So that's how you end up using a lot less hair when you split. All right, so we got 1 row done there. We're gonna go ahead and do the next row, and then I'll come back when it's halfway done. So that was only 2 pieces of hair that filled up that whole row because we split it in 3. So let's go ahead and straighten this out once again. Get ready for the split. Split 1 from right here. Bring it down. Take one end and bring it in at least 2 times. 1, 2, I'll do 3 if I can get a smooth 3. 3. Yeah, just make sure it's nice and secure. Alright beauties, we're back and we are almost done. This is the whole side done on this side. It is pretty full, but normally crochet hair is. And I split most of these in 2 or 3, so it's a little looser when you split it. The back is all full strands. So this is how it is right now. It is a lot of hair, but we're going to wet it and like cut it down so it won't look so full, but this is why you have to do the finger width apart, because it really does fill up really fast. But this is with the hair in the front, and then I'll turn around to the back. This is the hair in the back. Alright beauty, so we're in the front. We have the last one in this middle part. I just want to show you how to do the middle, because that is like where you want it to look like the illusion part. So here's a piece of hair here. Put this hair in all the way back here. The hair on there, close the clasp. We're going to make sure to only grab one piece of hair, not both, and pull it through 2 to 3 times. And boom. That's how we're going to do the middle part to have the illusion. Depending on how thick the hair is, some pieces are smaller and some are bigger than others. I'm either splitting it between 2 and 3 times. The one I just had, I split in 3 times. So this is a part of that piece. I'm actually getting through this last part pretty fast. I think it's because I'm in the light right now and I can see what I'm doing. In the front, when I was doing it, it was too dark for me to see what I was doing. Alright beauties, let's go ahead and work on these edges. So yes, my edges do look a little, they look non-existent until I lay them down. There, my hair is not black, so that's another one thing, is that my hair is brown, so it makes my edges look like they're not there. But also, like I told you guys, my hair has fallen out really bad from my sleeve surgery. My body just trying to re-regulate itself, and my hair was a casualty, honey. So I am definitely on a journey to get it to grow back. Just needed to take all my vitamins like I'm supposed to. That's the problem. Have not been taking my biotin and my omegas like I'm supposed to. So I have to definitely take responsibility for that. So this is the hair with the middle part. I did cut it down a little just to frame my face, just a little. I didn't cut it too much. Alright, so let me stand so you guys can see. This is how long the hair is, and this is how it looks framed with my face. Alright, so this is it, y'all. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on this deep curly hair. I really love how it looks. The curls are absolutely beautiful. The hair feels super lightweight. It is a lot of hair because it is crochet, and when you do curly hair with crochet it tends to get big, but it is beautiful. Also, I haven't wet it down yet to like get it to really kind of go down, and the longer you wear it, it's probably going to shed a little, so it's going to get thinner. But right now I love the fullness. I think it's so beautiful. Side part all day. I am a side part girl, so if you see me, you'll probably see me rocking a side part anyway, and I am here for it. I love it. I hope you guys love it just as much as I do. I'm going to turn around to the back so you can see. So if I am giving my first impressions of the hair, it is curly hair, so it tangles. Tangle. Yes, it tangles, but I expect that because the curls come together, they clump together, and that's just what's natural with curly hair. So far I haven't had any issues with shedding, so since I've had it in, like normally you can tell if it's going to shed a lot. So far the shedding is not there. The hair is pretty soft. So I do love that. There is minimal shedding. I would say that. I won't say there's none, but there's minimal shedding. The hair is extremely soft. That I love as well. And so that is really all I can tell you about the hair right now with this first impression of putting it in. So that is all I have to say about this hair. I'm going to come back all made up so you guys can see, get a real feel and a real look for it. But this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will definitely get back to you and answer any questions you may have about the hair. Thank you guys once again so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video so I know that you guys like this kind of content. Comment below if you want to see an update video in a couple of weeks or in a month. And subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye. Alright, beauty, so I have lived in this hair for 2 days, and I have come to the conclusion that I actually do love it. Look at how cute it is. Now that I've worked it in and gotten used to it, it's very, very cute. It's very, it frames my face well, and it just looks really good. I feel like it looks like a weave. You would never be able to tell that this was crochet unless you were really, really trying to see. But everything looks really good. It's nice and full. It's not heavy at all. I'm going to turn around to the back so you can see the back. This is what the back is looking like. So if you're interested in this hair, I would highly recommend that you guys get it from my 2-day wear. Now, if you guys want to see an update in 2 weeks, I can definitely give you that and let you know how the hair is. But 2 days in, I am loving it, and I hope you guys are too. Bye.